Well, this was fun to get out. These back bolts here were damn tight, but I managed to get them out. And to show you, this is why. I don't know if I've seen one this bad or not before. Look at that. There's nothing left in there. Totally screwed. So you know what I'm doing next. Just thought I'd give you a little show and tell here on the drive shaft. I don't know if I'm getting you a good enough picture, but loosey goosey. We'll get it fixed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll update you if I beats my fingers off getting this thing out. Have a good day.